Seed stitch is a really simple 2-row repeat pattern that creates a bumpy pebbled texture. It lies flat unlike stockinette, and it's reversible. So I've cast on an even number of stitches, and you can use an odd number. I'll talk about that later. But the first row, what we're going to do is, starting with a knit stitch, we're going to alternate knit 1, purl 1, all the way across. Okay, so then when we get to row 2, we are going to start with a purl stitch. And now we're going to do the same thing all the way across. We're going to purl 1, knit 1. So you can have an odd number of stitches cast on. Just remember that during this whole pattern, no matter what side you're on, you're knitting purl stitches and purling knit stitches. It's really helpful if you know how to identify which is which. So I'm going to link a video at the end of this one that walks you through all of that. There is the beautiful seed stitch.